Miss Meadows said I murdered my stepmom.
3.3 what? Graph systems. Glad that's on video. Of linear inequalities.
I didn't actually, I'm sorry.
He did.
Biblically I did, but in reality I did.
How do you biblically kill somebody?
He hated someone.
Oh.
Said he was gonna kill her.
It's not nice to say about your mother.
Okay. Systems of two inequalities. Graph the system of inequalities. So for x is greater than -1, x is less than 3. Alright, so we still need to pay attention to solid or dotted. And if you have, like, with the system, one may be solid and one may be dotted within the same thing, so just be aware of that. Do you have a question?
No. I was just going to say they're both going to be dotted. I was really
Oh.
excited because I knew that.
Yes, they are both. That was going to be my next question. So, yes, they are both going to be dotted. So, I would suggest that, well, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to do my lines in 2 different colors and then shading. So, x greater than -1. Where do I put that? And what does it look like?
-1.
It's a vertical line going on for -1.
So
And
like
then it
this.
moves to the
-1.
Right.
I even drew it wrong.
This is so hard switching between colors fast.
Couldn't even go on.
Alright, so there's the first one. So x is greater than -1, so do I shade to the right or the left?
You're going to shade to the
right.
right.
To the right. Oh, I messed up.
Okay.
Oh no, because every time you guys sing a song, it gets stuck in my head for the rest of the day.
Huh.
And I don't want that one stuck in my head.
Why?
Because it's going to bother me.
Why would it
Because it's stuck in my head.
Alright, the other graph goes where?
The other graph is going to go at 3, and it's going to be shaded to the left.
Okay, so up and down at 3. I'm going to shade to the left.
My paper may or may not.
So, the solution to the system is where the colors have mixed. So in this case, the solution is in here.
Yeah, no, I can't do this. I'm just going to use a pencil.
Yeah, me too. Look.
Well, once we get to the ones that are like 4 lines, you're probably not going to want to use a pencil. But
It's so hard switching between colors. I'm remembering now.
Can I have a hard letter?
that's why, do what I did. I literally made,
No.
I know, but then trying to
I'm not
assign
doing
them,
that.
and then I'm already not good with colors.
I'm not doing
And mine don't blend.
No, I know.
Julie has
I got it.
faulty equipment.
Thank you.
Because I am using purple.
Just draw like little squigglies. So that, like,
He's not locked in.
okay, number 10. Where is it? -x is greater than or equal to y. -x plus y is greater than or equal to -5.
Whoa.
So I would get these in slope-intercept form. I'm going to completely flip this top one so that it's in the like normal order. So y is less than or equal to -x. Notice I didn't change that. I just flipped the whole thing over. On the other one, I'm going to move the x over. So y is greater than or equal to x minus 5. I'm just making it excessively large. It doesn't need to be that big. All right, what do we know about these? What are they going to look like?
They're gonna be
They're gonna be
solid
solid.
lines that are be going like
One's going through origin.
yeah.
And a
Okay.
negative slope.
Yep, the first one's through the origin with a -1 slope. And which way does this one get shaded?
Get shaded.
Down.
Down, so down here.
Is that you? No, it's some kid outside.
So like
There's a furry.
chihuahua barking.
I'm scared of chihuahuas. I got bit by a chihuahua one time after my friend got bit by a furry. Never mind.
All right, what about the other graph?
Where I'm still colored.
Yeah, I'm
The
colored.
That's a very good.
y-intercept will be -5. Then it'll just be a
I'm
positive.
still writing the graph.
Oops, I put blue for both of them.
I had the answer.
The lines don't necessarily need to be graphed in different colors. I would just shade with different colors. I just am because I can.
I'm a little bit.
All right, where does this one get shaded? Above, so it's up here.
Hold up.
I'm gonna switch to Gildersleeve. I'll see you guys later.
Do you want to go to Gildersleeve?
Well, that's a middle school. I don't think you qualify.
I was doing this in 7th grade.
No, you were not.
Yes, I was.
Dirty liar.
We have done this before.
Yo, this
Yeah,
isn't
yeah.
new.
This isn't new.
I was like, I didn't think it was, but then I was like, I don't know. So where's my solution?
There.
The
That one.
part that's purple-ish.
The
That's
part
where
that
they-
looks like
the
a
shading
Slurpee.
intersects.
That's cherry and
Whoa, it
It
does.
does actually.
You know, like when you mix cherry and blue raspberry.
Yeah, I've had it already.
It looks like that Slurpee, and that's what it looks like in the bottom with all the mush after it's consumed.
Wait, no, I did
Wait,
have
the
some
7-Eleven that's near the shirt, like right here, has much better Slurpees than the one that's just down the road. And I don't know why.
Good job, Dave.
You okay, buddy?
You look dead.
You gotta wake up.
It's a little tired, apparently.
I think we should do. Oh my
I think that I am the teacher and I decide what we do.
That's crazy.
We're poisoning Zach, man.
18.
It's okay, we have consent.
What?
Let's get 8 top.
X is greater than or equal to -8. Y is less than or equal to -1. Y is less than -2x minus 4.
It's a big number.
Now I need to use 3 colors.
I really don't like this.
All right, what do we know about these graphs?
They're gonna be on the graph.
They're gonna be dotted and solid.
Which one's dotted?
The one that isn't greater than or the yeah. The one that's less than.
8. We gotta do 8.
Oh, that's hard.
Yes. You know 8.5 is my favorite number.
Yes.
8.5.
8's my favorite number.
77 is my favorite number.
Why?
Because he's bored.
Because when I lived in Israel, the only bus that would go to my house was the 77 Olive bus.
Oh.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
I
love-
love. That's
like-
my favorite bus number.
Whenever I would go on that bus, I would.
Don't say it.
All right,
Dylan missed it.
how do I do this one?
X is vertical, so you're gonna go at -8.
What?
And it's solid. Which way do I shade this one?
It's gonna be on the right.
Okay, that one's blue. This one's red. This one's gonna be black.
This is like Inktober all over.
Inktober.
October prompts are so boring.
All right, what about the y less than or equal to -1?
It's gonna be a horizontal
Not those
line at
ones,
the
the
-1
official
area.
ones.
That's almost what she said that. She said Inktober prompts was boring.
Oh shoot, she's gonna shoot me.
For the official list, not the list she gave us.
All right, which way does this one get shaded?
On the
Official list.
bottom.
Yeah, there's an official list every year.
Like, that's what it
I
comes
thought this was just something that you're made up.
No, it's a thing.
Or is
It's
that like
a
a thing?
very big
I
thing.
mean, I'm gonna have to.
Wow, I'm proud that I knew what it was and Ryan didn't.
Well, Ryan's also not in the right mind right now.
What?
You see?
You don't know me.
How many fingers am I holding up?
Oh shoot, you got me saying something else.
I know because it's.
Then X is gonna be dotted, man. Oh, you already looked that.
Dang it. I think I got the answer wrong.
All right. So the next one, intercept at -4,
What in the world is that? You just drew on the whole graph.
1, 2.
slope of -2.
Hold up. I forgot how to graph.
It's like a Rubik's Cube. Please stop. Yes.
Dang, I did it wrong.
Okay, so we're gonna be at -4.
All right. Where does this one get shaded?
It's gonna be shaded on the lessee of
Dang
it.
it, I also did it
I
wrong.
did.
So down here.
X equals -1.
Man, that was supposed to be dotted.
Mm.
I messed
She already
it
said
up.
that it was dotted.
Purple.
Yeah, but
Oh,
I messed it
that was
up.
just like epically.
I
Pen.
like purple.
It's okay. I know what it was supposed to be.
Bibble?
Yeah.
Bibble. Bibble.
What is happening?
It's not locking in.
She's losing her magic powers.
Okay.
Oh, the
Whatever.
See?
world is falling
Now
apart.
you're human like the rest of us.
It's okay. We know what it is.
Welcome to my struggles.
Same.
I just thought you wanted a cookie point.
Huh?
So I just thought you wanted a cookie point.
I also
Daniel
thought
called me
that.
Hitler.
I did not.
Izzy didn't know who Hitler was.
What?
Izzy can't whistle. And Daniel
I
called me
bet
Hitler.
she actually
I did
does
not.
know who Hitler is. She just did that to bother you.
Wait, I'm so
No, Daniel had to
confused.
just full on explain to her. She didn't know what the Holocaust was or any of that.
Oh, we got a good one.
Why did we get a cookie?
Why did we get a
She's
cookie
been in
point?
school
Because
year
you
long
corrected
enough
a
that she
mistake.
would've learned about
Oh, I was just
I
saying
don't-
that because
You're
I messed
welcome.
up.
Was it even a mistake though? Because you already said that it was dotted. And
But I
therefore-
drew it solid.
Okay.
No, I messed
You're
up.
welcome.
That's why I said it out.
Whatever, we got
Don't complain. You're 1 point closer to
Okay,
free
thank you.
cookies.
Sounds good.
Wait, how many points do we need? Like 5?
10.
Dang.
All right. So where's my solution?
Right there in the wait 1, 2, 3 in the fourth quadrant.
That's the third.
That's the third quadrant. Lock in.
Why is it the third?
Because it goes
1, 2, 3, 4.
That's
One,
like a backwards plot.
2, 3, 4.
So this area in here, okay, is where all of it overlaps, is my solution. You don't have to draw a circle around it. I just wanted to make sure you can see it. My green dotted line's a little hard to see there, but
My dotted line is green too.
What
Good
a
job.
coincidence.
Good job,
fantastic.
Shepherd. I'm so proud
Such
of
a
you.
good class.
All right,
I gripped white.
very last one.
Yay.
24. You might not say yay when I tell you the problem.
Oh no.
I don't have enough room on my paper, man.
X plus y is less than 5. X plus y is greater than -5. X minus y is less than 4. X minus y is greater than -2.
Man, what?
I can do this.
I would get them all in slope-intercept form. So y is less than -x plus 5. Y is greater than -x minus 5. Now what's going to happen when I do the next one?
Gotta
Not
divide by
gonna be
negative
cool.
2. Negative 1.
So what's going to happen
Flip
when
the
I do
sign.
that? I'm going to flip it. So y is greater than what?
X
Uh,
minus 4. Positive X
yeah,
minus 4.
yeah.
Yep. And then what about the last one?
X plus y just y is less than x plus 2.
Why is y less than y?
That was fun.
You really don't have to use.
What if we just skip this one? Because I don't have colors.
Well, I offered you colors earlier. So.
Very true, Mason.
Where are we?
I also don't pay attention.
Maybe you should try it.
And then you made fun of her colors. They suck. People color doesn't even work. People color.
All right, so we need to graph each of these.
Alright.
All of these are what?
Orange. Me.
No, all of them are going to be
All of
dotted.
them are
Dotted.
Dotted.
Oops.
Okay, they're all lines, they're all dotted. So
That one's gonna be blue.
just at your pace, go through and graph them and shade them to find the solution for where it occurs.
This is not That's an option.
artistic.
I'm very artistic right
Oh, I didn't make it down to the can.
I keep going.
Does it really matter?
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
I drew a positive slope instead of a negative slope.
It's okay. I almost did that too.
That's
The
another
difference
cookie
is
point.
You didn't do it.
now.
I did
Cookie
it.
point.
Because Daniel
Because
messed
I
up.
made a mistake and then I talked about it.
Yep.
Yes.
Well, that's exactly what I did. And then I just saw it on the board.
Well, I like that word. Mickey Mouse says it a lot.
Well,
How often do you watch Mickey Mouse? Do you know?
Well, it's from. No.
Like, genuine question.
Twice.
Or are you not answering, Daniel?
I watched it a lot too, Daniel.
I'm just kidding. I don't think I've actually seen like a Mickey Mouse show in a long time.
And you're still quoting him.
Yeah.
That's
Fake fan.
prejudice.
King Mickey.
Prejudice?
how is that
How is that
prejudice? Are you
prejudice?
slow, Ryan?
Hey.
That's prejudice.
It is.
I forgot what that was.
Prejudice also
What?
wasn't always racial.
I don't know what to talk about prejudice.
Rachel.
Okay.
Pride and Prejudice.
Who's Rachel?
No, Ryan and Rachel.
Yeah, who's Rachel, Ryan?
Why are we?
Where were you even talking?
You said she's bad.
Where am I shading? What am I doing?
This is really easy.
I know!
Jeannie, I need you to lock
I need a lock in.
Jenny, you're an artist.
You
know
just
how to
quoted
color.
Mason, Gina.
Ah!
This was like an adult coloring book before adult coloring books were a thing.
Right. Yeah.
Kinda cool though.
I hate adult coloring,
Hey, when you listen to grown up music.
but.
No.
What?
Oh, lady.
Man, it just looks like my vomit.
Never mind,
There's too many
That's
colors.
unfortunate.
The purple's having
You should have picked better colors. That makes sense.
No, that looks like vomit. All the colors.
That's fine.
combined.
It's just green.
I can't even tell where the middle is.
Yeah, I can't tell.
Oh,
Whoa,
she
whoa,
doesn't know
laggy.
yet. Don't worry, guys.
I think I have the right answer.
I think you do.
Alright, guys. I think I have it. It's this weird box looking thing.
You're wrong.
No, I'm not. This is completely correct.
You're wrong.
I can barely see the
You're
blue.
wrong.
You know what?
You're wrong, Ryan.
Holy shizzle, I think I found it.
You did it wrong.
Maybe I need a
Did you get this? Yeah.
See?
Oh my goodness.
Haha! Daniel, is this right?
Good job.
I think we need a brighter color.
It needs to be brighter every time.
What is the
Can you
solution?
choose
I'm
white?
so confused.
Can you use white?
That one
This
right
middle
there.
part.
You can't even
Okay.
tell what that is.
I think I
It's
got
like
it
a
right.
middle rectangle.
Is this right?
That's why I circled it. Yes, but I would not give you credit for that because you did not fully shade.
I'll do that on
It
the
has
real
to be
stuff, but I don't
fully
wanna do it
shaded.
right now.
What do you mean by fully shaded?
Like this. Like he only shaded the middle box.
I knew which direction it was going in.
I
I
see.
marked the direction. I just don't want to do it.
I'm just saying, because people do that on the quiz and I mark it wrong because they didn't shade the whole thing.
Because colors are hard. Why do they make you take a McDonald's?
She just does that.
I just do that.
That's not normal. You should get that checked
She's
out.
done that for like the whole
Should
time
get that
she's
checked
been
out.
here. Actually, before that. Yeah, this isn't new.
I also circle buttons.
If you know how to color this thing, it's easy. Unless you're colorblind.
That would be unfortunate.
Wait, I think you could do it with like different patterns. I've seen like in textbooks, like some of them are dotted and some of them are with lines and stuff.
Unless they're
Okay.
Alright, your problems are
Oh my goodness.
5, 13, 19, and 23.